My name's Jess Ayers. I'm a researcher with the Climate Change Group for the International Institute for Environment and Development in the UK, and I'm managing the monitoring and evaluation workstream under ARCAB. M&E under ARCAB cuts across all the research themes, but it's also a research theme in itself, and the reason for that is because we're using it as a learning tool to try and understand how you do CBA effectively. Under the M&E, we are drawing on a lot of the work we've been doing with CARE and also all the action partners under ARCAB to look at three types of information that we want to include in the monitoring and evaluation framework. So we're looking at measuring process and activities to answer the question, are we doing what we said we would do? We're looking at information under results, so is what we're doing working? Is it effective, and are we doing the right things? And then the third piece of information that we're measuring, which is actually new to M&E that isn't included in a lot of M&E of basic development projects, is information around climate change, climate risk, and other contextual risks that are changing. So for every result that we measure, we're measuring it in light of climate change, so we can see whether our results are actually adaptation or not. ARCAB takes a twin-track approach to monitoring and evaluation. So on the one hand, we've got a participatory monitoring and evaluation system, which builds on a lot of work that's been done by CARE and IIED. And the point of the participatory monitoring and evaluation system is to improve learning about CBA within each project site. And it's very much for the communities. It's a decision-making tool for the communities and the practitioners they're working with to do CBA better in each project site. The second track of M&E looks at aggregating results across all of ARCAB so that we can start to try and in some sense compare different approaches to try and get a sense of which approaches are more effective at improving adaptive capacity and reducing vulnerability. In terms of where we are now, we're working with all the action partners to populate the framework and generate indicators, and we'll be testing it across all of our sites this year.